this program has been initiated by NEC Elite Society. NEC Elite Society has been realizing the importance or the significant role that is being played by the bureaucrats in the upliftment of the socio-economic and political condition, all-round development of the society. Therefore, it has been an endeavor of the NES to motivate and guide, assist the students, our youths who are preparing for the civil service examination. And we have taken a lot of initiatives since 2016 especially, and there has been a particular dedicated cell under NES to assist, to look into this career aspects of the youths. So our efforts has been very fruitful, and in the last 2017 batch APPSC, 22 of our youths, they got selected into APPSC examination, and they are working in different departments now. And this has really emboldened us, this has really encouraged us and motivated us to organize this kind of program. Moreover, there has been a major shift in the APPSC syllabus, and all the APPSC syllabus has been done away with. Now, Arunachal Pradesh Public Service Commission has also decided, and for the first time, they are going to follow UPSC examination. Therefore, we thought it is, appropriate for us to get the people who have gone through the process. So we have called the IS officers, UPSC, candidates who have been to the same process, IPS officers, even IRTS officers, then some academicians, also APPSC toppers of the last batch, so that our boys and girls who are preparing for the examination, they are guided properly, and if they have any doubts, they can get some clarification from the, the officers who have gone through UPSC and the APPSC examination. So this program is basically for them. We have basically optional topics have not been covered. There are 4 general studies papers. The general studies paper 1 has been covered by DC Sapa, who is a 2017 batch and of IS Kedar, and paper 2 will be covered by Sivandu Bhusan, who is also an IPS officer of 2019 batch, and then paper 3 it covers about economics, then technology and environment, disaster management, security. These topics will be covered by Aishwarya Sharma, who is IPS officer of 2017 batch. Currently, she is working in Pakekeseng as a SP, and there will be a paper 4 which will be taken up by Tichi Komar sir, who is a IRTS batch of 2018. And then also the essay paper and general studies, essay paper and general English will be covered by Dr. M.Q. Khan, who has been with us for all the ticks and teens during our program like this kind of thing. And also there will be a motivation talks on approaches of APPSC examination by Niti Taki. She is a topper of APPSC 2017 batch. My tips for the APPSC aspirants will be that they should have a faith on themselves, and also keeping in view this new approaches that has been come up with by APPSC examination. All of them are requested to have a consultation with the seniors who have gone through this process, and also if possible they can also take advantage of the YouTube where these tips are available.
Actually, this kind of program has been actually conducted since a few years back. NEC Elite Society, we have a career guidance cell, and under this cell we used to organize this kind of activities all through, and our purpose is to create awareness among the young aspirants to do better in their examination, especially for civil services now, for both UPSC and APCS. Here we tried our best to bring young IPS, IS officers, young IPCS officers to guide the aspirants, guide the students who are actually competing in various examinations. So this time also, after just declaration of result, we have decided to conduct this awareness program for our aspirants, those who have qualified prelims. And even after mains also will conduct awareness, especially for who actually qualifies men's exam,
Yes, sir.
like mock interview also will be conducting.
Okay, sir. Around how many candidates or students might have come today, sir?
Today, I think registration more than 100 were there, but 60 70 students are there right now. Yeah, for that motivation only we are conducting this. Resource persons, they are taking up different topics, different subjects, and they are motivating them. And we are wishing all the aspirants to do best in their examination, in their preparations. So this is all about.